Good day programmers, welcome back to our Java UI Swing tutorial series. In this video, I will show you the basic use of jCheckBox in Java UI Swing. So first, what is jCheckBox? The jCheckBox class is used to create a checkbox. It is used to turn an option on which is true or off which is false. Clicking on a jCheckbox changes its state from on to off or from off to on. It inherits the jToggle button class where it is used for identifying the states. So this is what we're gonna do. We will create a form that contains three checkboxes with corresponding values as our choices, one button and a text area to display our selected checkbox. What happens in the form is that when you click the button, we will identify which of the three is selected. If a selected checkbox is found, we will get its value and display it in the text area. I also want in my checkboxes that only one checkbox can be selected at a time. You can change it, of course. You can have more than one checkbox to be selected, but in my case I want only one. What's important is that you can identify the state and get the values of each checkbox. Let's go into our Netbeans IDE. First of all, create a project that contains a JFrame form. Let's put all the components we need based from our design. You can change the variable names you want, but in this tutorial I will stick to the default variable names because it is easy to remember. Next is to create an event to the button. In this case, I will use action performed as an event. Inside the event, I will first identify in each checkbox if they are selected or not, by using isSelected method, same in how we used it in the jToggle button. If a checkbox is selected, pass the value of your checkbox to the text area. Next, I want only one checkbox can be selected at a time. So for this, I will create an event to each checkbox. In this case, I will use state change as an event. You can use other similar events that controls identify the component state. In this event, I want to identify if the particular checkbox is selected. If the checkbox is selected, I will select the other checkboxes by changing its selected state into false. So that's all for the checkbox. See you in the next video.